good. Oh, good. It's you. Listen, it's getting late, and I need to brush my teeth. Can you do me a favor? Don't let the pigeon stay up late. And here we go.
Doesn't care. So I want that one.
Oh, thanks. Oh,
That one?
Oh.
Basically hit your face.
Oh, thanks. First of all, I'm not even tired. In fact, I'm in for a hot dog party. What do you say?
Like the...
No? Also, if you hear those shooting, that's just my friend Patrick. This is a sleepover right now.
I keep trying to kill him, pretending to kill him. I keep just shooting him for no reason.
Yeah.
I'm his best friend.
Yeah, but let's get back to the book. So
He heard a fart noise.
I hear there's a good show about birds on TV tonight. Should be very educational. How about 5 more minutes? Come on. What 5 minutes in the grand?
Hey, everyone in that video. Everyone in that video. I'm wondering who the pigeon even talks to.
Yeah, like who did the pigeon talk to? Like what? No, well, actually, yeah, I wonder who that.
Maybe he's just talking.
Maybe it's us.
Maybe he's talking to himself.
What?
Maybe
What?
he has a weird one thing where you.
I'm not tired. We never get to talk anymore. Tell me about your day.
Well, I heard a pigeon farted in the bus.
Oh, I've got a great idea. We could count the stars.
Or maybe he farted in the bus.
Stop! You know this is going to be turned into a YouTube video, right?
I know, but a bunch of people say fart to make it funny. Like,
Okay, and so let's get back to the book. Oh wait, let me just go back to the I'm not tired part and use a cool effect on it. A cool toy I have. I'm not tired. Now, as we are saying, can I have a glass of water? That pigeons hardly need any sleep at all. Hey, ho! This here pigeon just run and go.
Spin it.
Please.
Flip it. Oh, nice going. You're out.
Middle of the day in China. I'll go to bed early tomorrow night instead. You can't say no to a bunny, can you?
Nice going.
Okay, that was not a yawn. And I am totally not Squidward or Patrick or Mickey Mouse right now. I was stretching. I'm yawn 110 awake. You haven't heard the yawn last of me. Great work. Thanks.